website is 7156list.com. Again, that's 7156list.com. You simply go to the website, look across the top of the page, click the word register, and you'll be able to input your call sign and your first name. That's all we need. Besides, you need to have an advanced or extra class license. That's kind of important simply because that's the part of the band we're in right now. And every now and then we get someone that stops by that kind of forgets where they're at, that don't have one of those two.
You know what? I'm going to pause this. I got to turn my fan off. Hang on. Man, sorry about the handheld crap. I've heard this net many times, and it's a work Danny net. Danny is in South Africa, supposedly. You want to work Danny, you can check in online, which is kind of odd to me. I know all the nuts are doing it these days. I don't know what's wrong with checking in with a damn radio on a radio net. But in this case, he assembles a list of people that you can work Danny. He's got his webmaster standing by. I wish I would have had my phone at hand. Down in Florida, handling the website, the check-ins. And then my man here, I don't know where the hell he's at. You've got this, and then you've got supposedly a character, a ham named Danny, in South Africa, also on hand here. It's a 3-man operation to work Danny. You know what I wonder, man? Is anybody in this freaking chain of net pseudo radio operation, is anybody profiting 1 thin cent? If so, they're in violation of the terms of their license, and they need to be. What the hell is it, man? About to drive me nuts. About to drive me nuts, man. You want to work Danny? Go ahead. I don't want to work any of these guys. Bunch of weirdos. In my opinion, of course. What the hell? Even worse, I'm starting to sound like I live in Seattle still. Let me try that again, Michigan style. What the hell? There we go. 73.